What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, Elevate with Deza, where I teach you simple elevation techniques that actually work. If you haven't already done so, make sure to subscribe to my channel because all of your support is going to keep us going and growing and elevating. Also, too, the site that I'm going to be building my e-commerce store on is called LaunchCart. So it's similar to maybe Shopify or BigCommerce that you've heard of before. Make sure to go ahead and start your account. You can actually start it for free. And I'm going to show you how I actually import products the hassle-free way. Okay, so we're in the back office where, we have everything here as far as the products. And I'm going to go ahead over to Printful. Okay. The way that I like to import my products is going to the product template area and creating a product there. Because as long as I have the templates, as you see here, I can just easily go back to them and add them to my store. So say for instance, I clicked on this, I can add it to any one of these stores and we will be all set to go. But today I'm going to actually show you how to upload a logo and do it from scratch. So create more templates. Let's go ahead and use a t-shirt. Okay, let's choose that one because I already have it. That's another hack as well. If you're in Printful and you're starting off with print on demand, where you basically pay as you get orders in. I love this method myself. So make sure to go ahead and favorite your favorite items so that way you don't have to go searching for them. So I'm going to go ahead and upload a logo. So I already have logos here. Let's go with this one. I really like this one. Intention is everything. Okay. But as you can see, we can't really see it. So let's go to the product and let's make sure we choose a lighter color so we can actually see. Okay. Another thing as well, when you're uploading your products, you want to make sure, okay, hold on. Let's go to layers. You want to make sure that your DPI is green. If it is out of the green, if it's yellow, anything like that, it is not going to be good. Like you want it to be very clear. So when you upload your logo, whether it's from Canva or whatever wording that you have on here, you can use, you can go to Etsy, and that's for another training, but you can go to Etsy as well and purchase already, done for you PNG mock-ups based off of whatever niche you're in. So if you were in the, let's say, real estate niche, you would search real estate PNG mockups inside of Etsy, and then you can purchase them. Some of them are like $1, $2, but just make sure that you can use them on print on demand products to resell. However, when you upload it, you want to make sure that you upload it 3,000 pixels so that way it transfers really well inside of Printful. So we're all set here. You can do a back, inside label, outside label. That's completely up to you. I'm going to go ahead and save this template. You can also purchase mock-up images, meaning like the models. So you don't have to model them yourself. You can purchase or hire someone to model them. You can purchase those images as well in Etsy, or you can get another system called Place It, where you can, add your designs onto models that you can have inside of your store just to make it more aesthetically pleasing. I like to use just a wrinkled mock-up for a lot of my stores, but it's completely up to you. So I'm going to give you an example here. So make sure that you select all the sizes that you want. Make sure the colors that you want are selected. I'm going to go here. This is what I mean when I say wrinkled mockup. I really like that. It's just really your preference as to how you want your store to look. So I'm going to use this one. I'm going to hit continue. So here I can say, what was the quote on that shirt? See, goodness gracious. Be intentional. So let's say, or sometimes I actually have to do all caps. Be intentional. T-shirt. Small to 3XL. So they understand what they're getting, the sizes. You want to give as much information here as possible. Here's a hack if you want your items to rank and you want them to, in the search engine, you want them to be optimized. You can go to ChatGPT and create a search engine optimized description here, or you can use the generic one that they have as well. So once you hit continue, here's where you choose your prices. So I like my prices to all kind of, be similar. And what I mean is if I'm ending with 99, I want to keep all of them with 99. If I have 27, then I want to keep them all ending in the 7. So for this shirt, I'm going to do $39.99. Now you can set it to whatever fits your boat, whatever, estimated revenue you choose. So the wholesale price, so once an order is processed, you're going to be charged this amount off of your card. Just to be clear, this is how print on demand works. And you're going to get this profit in your Stripe or whatever payment processing that you choose to use. You're going to get this amount. So when you add up, subtract the difference, you're going to be left with about $26.74. And this is with them paying for shipping. So I'm going to go ahead and hit submit to store. And it says adding new product to store. So we're going to go to stores. Going to hit the Days of Phillips store. And as we can see here, the Be Intentional t-shirt is being added. So if you're like, okay, I want to see if it's in my store, you're going to go back to launch cart. You're going to go to products. And it may take a little moment because it was loading. There we go. And then we're going to make sure we go in there. And this is where you can go in. Once you hit that little pin, you can go in and switch out the mock-ups. You can add a mock-up that you created inside of Canva. You can put that here. And then also too, you want to make sure that you tag it to the appropriate category. And here you can hit customize your product SEO information. So if you want that, I love the way that, launch cart works, because like for the e-commerce stores, they make it so simple to, get the best results possible. So you can just check that on and hit save. And if we go to shop here inside of the website, then we will have it. So you can change, yours to whatever you want. Yours can say, shop. It can say t-shirts, mugs, hats. You can, pretty much have all free range with that. Yeah, guys. So that is it for today. Just wanted to make a video on how to add the product, because I have, a lot of people that's been inboxing me, asking me how to do this. Like I said, guys, your support is definitely greatly appreciated. So please make sure to subscribe to the channel. And I'm going to drop the links below if you are new to e-commerce like I was 10 years ago and you're trying to find, figure this stuff out. Hence how you found, this video. So make sure to hit the links. I'll tag Launch Cart link. I am a partner, a Launch Shops partner. I went through their program to learn and build stores on the website. So definitely, or the platform. So definitely, using my link is definitely helpful, but you don't have to. You can just go to launchcart.com. And outside of that, guys, I will see you next time in our next elevation session.